guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be filming my June Birchbox opening. So this is what the box looks like this time. It just has like a beachy kind of design with a bunch of people and stuff on it. I actually was kind of boring this time and I got the curated box because it looked like a bunch of stuff in it that I would be interested in having. So this just has a bunch of stuff on it about summer solstice. Apparently it's on June 21st and just different stuff like that. So in the curated box, the first thing that I have in here is, let me see, I have the Deep Dive Water Cream. The full size is normally $25 and it says formulated with ceramides and collagen, this gel cream instantly melts into skin, providing an immediate boost of hydration. It smells really good. It's really smooth on the skin. It feels actually really nice. It's very jelly, but it feels really nice. And it has a really light smell to it. The next thing that I got is the Beauty Blender Original Foam Sampler. The full size is $20. This tiny but mighty makeup tool helps you seamlessly apply creams and powders with a streak-free finish. Squeeze the water nodule inside the packet before opening. The sponge will double in size. Press the sponge inside the packet to saturate and open to use. So apparently you push here to let the water out, and then this will get twice the size. I've never tried this, but it says it's like water activated and stuff, so this just looked really cool to try, so I just wanted to test it out. I'm in need of a new beauty blender, so yeah, this was actually what caught my attention on this pack. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. The next thing that I have in here is it has packaging all over this, but it says it's the Butanique Beauty Glow Serum. The full size is $22. And it says, highlight your favorite features using the Champagne Gold Hydrating Cream that's infused with nourishing apricot fruit extract. Apply it to anywhere you need a glowy boost or mix into your foundation for a Lit From Within look. So that sounds really cool that you can like mix it in with the foundation. I will definitely be wanting to try that because that sounds like really cool. I'm sorry about the barking and stuff. I think my fiance might have just gotten here, so the dog is barking at him. Some of these things are like the hardest to get into, you guys. There we go. Oh wow, this is like really pinky. But it's really glowy, so this will be really fun to try. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has like a really pink shiny color, so that'll be fun to try. The next thing that I have here that also caught my attention is the Daviness SU Hair and Body Wash. The full size is $24, and it says cleanse from head to toe with this revitalizing gel made from Italian citrus extract, which nourishes skin while also conditioning and preventing damage on sun-drenched strands. So this will be really cool to try. It smells really good. It has like a really summery scent, so this will be really cool to test. The last thing in here is the R Co Waterfall Moisture Plus Shine Lotion. The full size is normally $29. And it says hydrate hair, minimize frizz, and boost shine with this lightweight lotion formulated for all hair types. Apply to wet strands before blow drying or air drying. You can also use it on dry hair to tame flyaways and nourish ends. So that'll be really cool to test. It has an interesting smell, but it seems like it has a nice formulation. It feels nice on my hair. It's kind of like a gel, almost, it feels like. So that'll be really cool to test. And as always, I will have reviews up on my blog for a lot of these. Any of the makeup items, you're likely to see me using in tutorials and stuff if I enjoy them. So yeah, I'm really excited to try all of these things. And let me know if you guys enjoy these videos of me unboxing my Birchbox. And let me know if you'd like me to start doing that with my Ipsy as well. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And go follow me on Insta. It's at KatieShelton19. And I also have Facebook, which is Sarah Shelton or Katie Shelton. I have both on there. So yeah, go follow all of my accounts, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!